Oh! What? Bro, what? That didn't even show up on IEM! What the heck?
Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Rockdale
Oh my
County in
God.
north-central Georgia, western Morgan County in north-central Georgia, eastern Henry County in north-central Georgia, Walton County in north-central Georgia, central Bucks County in central Georgia, northern Jasper County in central Georgia, Newton County in north-central Georgia, until 12:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Oh, this website crashed, that's why.
Severe thunderstorms located along a line extending from near Arabia Mountain to Llewellyn, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to roofs and outbuildings. Locations impacted include McDonough, Conyers, Monroe, Covington, Jackson, Madison, Monticello, Locust Grove, Social Circle, Huntingford, Porterdale, Walnut Grove, Rutledge, Newborn, North High Shells,
One of the disadvantages about this site.
Hinesburg, Bostwick, between and Good Hope. A tornado watch remains in effect until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for central, north central, and west central Georgia.
Oh my god.
Remain alert for a possible tornado.
Wow.
Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Okay, these should all go
Intense
off.
thunderstorm lines can produce brief tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, it is best to move to an interior room
Oh my
on the
god!
lowest floor of a building. These storms may cause
Holy
serious,
crap!
significant property damage.
I did not mean to do that. Whoa!
Severe
What?
thunderstorm warning for counties is canceled. The severe
Dude!
thunderstorm
They went on their backup system!
moved out of the warned area. Therefore, the warning has been canceled. A tornado watch remains in effect until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Wow.
North Central and West Central Georgia.
Oh my gosh, okay.
Tornado watch number
Oh my...
77 remains
Dude!
until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Hold on.
Following counties in Georgia, Clayton, Fayette, Henry,
Dude!
and Rockdale. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions
Wow.
are favorable for the development of severe weather.
Wait, that was Birmingham. What happened in Birmingham? Dude, the rain! It's getting worse! It's a gutter leak. I'm guessing. Yeah, that's what that is. Alright, there you guys go. Dang it! I did not mean to throw my camera across the room. Okay, there you guys go.